Janet from Granite here. Granite Transformations and Trend Transformations, that is. And I've got a smarter way for you to renovate your kitchen or bathroom than this. Whoa, knock it off, boys! First, don't let anyone smash up anything. Just call Granite and Trend Transformations and get the kitchen or bathroom of your dreams with little to no demolition, stress, or mess. That's because our gorgeous Ethereum by E-Stone worktops and our splashbacks install right over your existing ones. So you can use your kitchen or bathroom right up until installation day. You really need to see Ethereum by E-Stone in person. It's beautiful quartz, granite, or recycled glass that's made to be super tough so it's scratch, stain, and impact resistant. So it's low maintenance. Want to redo your cabinets? We'll reface them. Sound easy? It is. Just call for a free in-home design consultation and say Janet sent you. Call Granite and Trend Transformations on 0800 088 7214. That's 0800 088 7214, or visit granitetransformations.co.uk.